One more thing I wanted to share with you before I leave this beautiful place. Uh, you are unconditionally supported, okay? I know you hear that from a lot of other teachers and channelers and stuff, but one old notion, an antiquarian belief that we got through religion, aka tradition, continued repetitive behaviors of man's ignorant past. I'm not saying all religion is bad, but there's a lot of bad stuff in it. You have so much support aside from just the universe with unconditional love and unconditional support to help you succeed in the direction that you are trying to go, in the direction of your excitement and passion. The old notion is that you're here being tested to see how strong you are, as if you're in some freaking virtual reality on the holodeck, on the Enterprise or something. That's bullshit. Don't listen to that, because what you get from that is that you're here, you're alone, and you're just freaking trying to make it. Discard that. Get rid of that belief, because it's not true. One, you have the universe's unconditional love and support. Okay? Look at these beautiful flowers here. But two, there is so much amazing support in the background. There are archangels supporting you. There are angels supporting you. There are spirit guides with amazing backgrounds and human experiences that are here speaking to you, guiding you lovingly, supporting you. I've heard of this, and I didn't open up to it until, oh gosh, sometime in my 30s or early 40s. But when you accept the fact that there are others here with you, even if you can't see them, it opens the door, and you let in so much love and so much light, so much support. And the angels are going to be cheering in the background because you finally let in what they've been trying to help you with for so long. Now, as you've heard others say, the universe does offer you unconditional support. So if you want to feel alone, it'll let you feel alone. If you say I'm alone, no one's helping me, I'm doing this all on my own, you're going to feel that way. But the thing is, you create your reality. We have come here willingly, not just some random test, not just some random, I was born to these people and I went through this shitty life. That's not what it is. We came here willingly. We signed up for this. We signed up to have an amazing life. We signed up to be able to learn stuff. To be able to learn, because we like learning. You may not feel like it. Don't look at school, because that was a terrible, often a terrible experience for many people. But the ability to find something new and integrate it in your being and exercise it is a wonderful, wonderful gift. And so we're doing that here, taking this human form. You have so much love. You have so much support. There's so much guidance. But you need to open up to it. You have to accept it. And you need to start telling yourself positive things like, I am so supported. I am loved. I am loved by so many. And the positive things that I'm trying to accomplish will happen because I am unconditionally supported. And I am open to the multiple paths that might require me to try in order to get there. So please don't feel alone. Don't feel like you're being tested and you're under a microscope, and one day when you die, after you die, you might get a reward. That's not how it works. That is a very narrow, limited way of thinking. It is the way we thought, our ancestors thought, because we didn't know better. But over time, the energy is changing, and we are growing, and we're starting to see more of the truth of the reality that is behind us. That's not to invalidate the great teachers that were once here. I'm just saying we've perverted their teachings, and we molded them into the limitations of man. So, be open to spirit. Be open to the depth of your being. Be open to truth and reality and the excitement of just being alive. And if you feel like you're stuck in a rut, then change it. You can, because you're unconditionally supported. Do that. If you're stuck in a rut, say, I am unconditionally supported, and everything will work out in my benefit. So take the time to put those things into action with confidence and knowledge that you are supported, and prove to me that it won't happen, because you are always going to get what you need, and it is always going to be great, wonderful, and wonderful. Okay, please try it.